So guys, the anxiety is finally over. All your queries that the forms are not getting out, maybe the exam is still getting postponed, everything is settled. Finally आज exam का form आ गया है for NEET MDS 2024. There is no looking back from here, just looking forward. From today onwards, you can start filling the form. Please read the prospectus very nicely before you start filling the form. All the interns can fill the form, those who will be finishing their internships by March 2024. Even a provisional degree is fine when you take your admissions. So don't worry, all the current interns who will be finishing their internships by March can fill the form. Till mid-February, you can fill the form, but please don't wait for the last date. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप लास्ट डेट का वेट कर रहे हो टू फिल द फॉर्म, फिर कुछ इंटरनेट इश्यूज हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. प्लीज फिल द फॉर्म विद इन 1 or 2 days or 2 to 3 days. First, by nicely reading the prospectus. Very soon we will discuss the details, steps of filling the form and where you all can make mistakes. So we will do that very shortly. But for today, the exam is finally on 18th March. By 18th April, you will have your results also. Alright, so just gear up, start your preparations to the fullest speed that you can do. All of you are working very hard, and this hard work is soon going to give you excellent results. Just put your preparations to the final gear and get ready for the main exam of your lives. All the best to all of you, my dear students.